your arms around me. One day we'll be together.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I want to thank all y'all for subscribing to me and being here. So as y'all can tell by the title, I'm going to be making this is kind of like my first set of acrylic press-ons. So yeah, I'm going to be making them here, and I'm using Nail Supply Glamour's Natural Pink acrylic. And these tips are just some tips I got off Amazon a long time ago for press-ons. Like I told y'all, I am in school pursuing my law enforcement career. So I am not able to wear nails. So these were actually made for me. But I didn't know that with acrylic nails, like acrylic press-on nails, the nails did not want to come off, y'all. I put them on a Friday so I can go to my team bonding. I go to my team bonding. I get home the next day. I'm like, okay, I'm ready for them to come off on Saturday. And they just would not come off. So if you're someone who's looking for some acrylic press-ons that'll last long and won't come off, I will be taking orders. You can just DM me out at my Instagram down below. And I kind of say I want to do them depending on what you send me. But prices will range from $20 to $55 because I'm going to use acrylic, gel, and anything else. So yeah, if y'all are interested, I say send me a message. But look at that application on that nail. It's just so nice. But I'm gonna get to the next one. And honestly, y'all, this was very fun. As y'all know, I don't do nails anymore, so it was just like, it's like me being able to do something that I love to do. It's just like my hobby. Like, I just go in my garage and I just sit at my nail desk and start doing nails. And that made me say, hey, I should start posting videos about it because I've been doing nails for 4 years now. So I'm very experienced, and I just want to teach the new and upcoming nail techs more about nails, or people who just don't know where to start, what to do. So that's why I decided to make my videos. Also, a lot of my subscribers are coming from my shorts. Shout out to y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in. And anything that y'all may want to see, I will be making videos on it. I'm gonna make a tutorial specifically for French nails because someone did ask me in a previous video to make a video strictly about French tip, drawing on a French tip and doing French tip. French tip can be hard to learn when you're first and you're new to nail art. It could be hard to learn. I kind of want to do a series where I show how to do different nail designs. Look at that application. Yeah, I kind of want to do a series where I show how to do different nail designs. Again, y'all, that is not Valentino's powder. That is a jar that I used from Valentino. I was running out of the Perfect Nude all the time, so I needed to find somewhere that I can buy a big quantity of acrylic powder and not have to worry about running out. So I did some research and I found that Nail Supply Glamour has really great cover nude acrylics. I haven't tried any others, just Natural Pink. It kind of goes with any of my clients' skin tones, so I really like that, the Natural Pink. So I kind of stick to it for the most part. It doesn't give me any issues, and everyone always loves it, and it looks good on everyone's skin color. That's like a color that you could put on anyone and it won't look too beige or too pale or too dark. Like, so I live by that, and I don't have issues with it. Like, I I never worry about, well, not worry about, but I don't have to worry about my clients not liking the color or the acrylic not burning them when I put it on. So that's definitely a plus. Remember, y'all, if y'all have any questions about nails, please comment it down below. If y'all want to see a certain video, please comment down below. I have no problem doing that. Look at those nails, like, period. I just want to help the newer nail techs out. Not even new, just anybody. I just want to help because I know what it was like starting out as a beginner nail tech. And I just know it's better when you have a little help. Like my nail YouTuber that I watched coming up was Sydney Alexis and Ta Barbie. I hate that I say so much. But yeah, they definitely helped me as far as doing nails. I kind of learned a lot from them. Before I went to nail school, I was on YouTube University, okay? And I learned a lot. When I went to nail school, they really didn't teach me anything but how to do a pedicure and a manicure. And I could have figured out the manicure myself. Pedicures is kind of like what I needed to know. They also taught me like how to work with scopes a little bit and stuff like that. But yeah, y'all did see that both of those nails before I start shaping them and stuff like that. My problem with these press-on nails is when it's time to shape them, it's like they won't stay still, like they're falling off. I'm struggling to shape them. So if y'all got any tips for me about that, comment it down below. Because again, this is my first time doing press-ons. It's not really my first time, but I'll say it's my second time, right? And the last time I did them was like 2 years ago. So that's why I say first. But yeah, this set turned out really cute. I did French. I didn't like that French was higher, but it was still super cute. There's different ways you could do French. You could do high French, low French. Whatever your client really wants or whatever you want is how you can do them. So I definitely recommend you just experiencing what kind you like, and before you do French, asking your client what kind they like. It just helps to better satisfy them. So I did not use blooming gel on that one nail. I used base coat and I added it on there, and I just let it set for a bit before I put it in the light because I kind of wanted it to blend out like the little snake print, but not so harsh. So I think that's the one I set down for too long. One of them I set down for too long and it spread it too much, and y'all will see that. Okay, y'all, so I am almost done designing the nails. I'm going to show y'all the finished product in a minute. Thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'm just doing some cute little swiggly lines on here, and then I'll show y'all the finished product. Again, thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.